Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of How Logical, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use Google Authenticator for Twitter. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to use your Google Authenticator for Twitter, you just simply have to go into the security section into the settings of Twitter and go to 2FA verification section. Then after that, you will get to see a code into 2FA verification of Twitter. You just simply have to copy that into your clipboard, then tap into this plus button into Google Authenticator. Then just simply enter a setup key which you have copied into clipboard from the Twitter into this section. And after pasting that key, you just simply have to enter the account name, which you can name anything into here. Then after that, just simply tap into add option, and then you just simply have to copy this code into your clipboard. Then after that, go back to Twitter and paste it into the 2FA verification section. Then after that, your verification for Twitter will be activated and you can use your Google Authenticator for Twitter verification very easily. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.